Guys, alam niyo kung ano yung magandang gawin pag nag-i-snow? Sinigang. Perfect. Perfect sinigang. Only Filipino knows. Lapit nang matunaw yung snow. Kaya nag-i-enjoy talaga ako. Look at the snow. Snow, snow, snow. Perfect. Snow, sitting on snow while eating sinigang. There.